Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad for lunchbox. Start by choosing firm fruits, washing, and drying them well. Cut fruits into consistent, bite-sized pieces to make eating easy and neat. Keep wetter fruits separate until assembly to avoid sogginess. Pack with a small insulated container and a chilled ice pack to keep the salad fresh until lunch. Gather your tools and set up a tidy workspace before you begin. Use a sharp knife and a stable cutting board to make uniform pieces that fit a lunchbox. Prepare a small container for lemon or lime juice to prevent browning. Keep a resealable bag or airtight container ready for transport. Chilling the container briefly helps preserve texture and flavor for later. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles crumbs and sticky drips with voice control and smart mapping, so your kitchen stays tidy after fruit prep. It's a handy kitchen sidekick that saves time for more cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Layer thoughtfully when assembling so delicate fruits do not get crushed, and add citrus juice for freshness. Start with apples, pears, pineapple, or grapes, then fold in berries or banana slices at the end. Keep dressings separate to avoid sogginess, and consider a sprinkle of toasted nuts or seeds for crunch. Seal the container tightly and place an ice pack on top to keep everything cool until lunchtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.